Konnichiwa minasan, kasakora. So, i-flex sa inyo guys a beautiful acroster bag, no? New, no? Yun siya guys, good, perfect sa travel and overnight, no? So, perfect package yung guys, kompleto na guys. For 2 weeks yata, pwede na baka intact ang tanan na kinahanglan na dito in your travel. And overnight, no? Any work, going there. So, I have also coaster, no, for glass, no, tungtungan na sa mga glass, super unique and elegante. So this is set, take it all. May susar na kamo guys, may gold plated na kamo nga stainless and sushi free. Then may mga susar kamo nga shell type. Then I have a triple candle, no, mahumot na siya guys. Then may candle holder kami guys. This is new, no, 300 pesos only. And may wedding card, no, that may ano siya guys, may lucky charm kag black sa kasawa. Then I have also flex sa inyo guys a scissor for the crabs, no, scissor for clipping crabs. So this is convenient and very nice sa mga mahilig magkaon sa kasag, no. Wala problema, harmless, okay, stainless and lasting yung ginagamit. So I have also a bind. Nabalik ako muna guys, Sakura, no, tawa Sakura. Right. So gina-display ko na din guys, and I have a scissor, no. Alex Adventure of Wonderland. That is branded kapag scissor. This is the terno. So 200 pesos only. So nagmark down na kami na guys. Same with the bird and this, with the ball. 50 pesos each. Okay. Then and the rest, no, namin ang mahilig sa mga dine, no. Mahilig mag-set up, mahilig mag-decorate and gift. So I have also sa flower. I have a refill lavender, no, sa pahumot na sa guys sa mga inyong sala, ang dining area. Then sa flower, I have also sa flower guys, no, nga mag-glass ang inyong flower. This is one, no, is a solution na siya guys na ibutang nyo sa inyong flower, nasa flower base sa water, at mag-glass 1 month, 2 months, so fresh ang inyong mga hana of flowers. So a rice bowl or soap bowl, pwede kita ceramics. Then something unique style, no, mahilig ka sa mga setup. So ensemble na mga manok. And the rest, I have a diffuser. Mahumot na siya guys, super bango. I have an available one. So and I have also a 4 core packs sa mga blackheads, whiteheads sa nose, pretty makuha. So and the rest, I have a stuffed toys, with a yellow shirt, and the rest. You can visit me here, you can come here. I'm here in my store, willing to serve you all the time. Okay, so my lotion, see the beauty bar namin na siya guys, super ganda, gaganda kayo niyan. Then skin milk lotion, Pantene moist, smooth, is a hair treatment also. Then Gatsby for men, we have a special scrub and acne care, no, may mga acne ang mga face sa mga boys para maging guwapo points. Okay, and the rest damo pa konti guys, no, you can come here. So may hapon sa Madlang Paper ka Sakura. So I have also a cross bag, no, with Sakura design, no, picture. So I have also Ichigo. So namin na siya guys. So sa kiwi powder, facial powder. Okay, so namin na siya, super ganda na siya guys, super good quality product from Nihon. So this is a 2 color available, the red and the blue. Yoreshiko ni shimasu minasan.